Welcome to my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. Today I am making lamb stew. So let's get started. These are the ingredients we require for the lamb stew. Let's switch on the stove on medium heat and add in our butter. Once it's melted, let's add all the ingredients thereafter. Once the butter is melted, we can add our onions and caramelize it and make it brown. The butter has melted, let's add our onions. Once the red onion gets light in color, we can add in the rest of our ingredients. So that was half a chopped red onion. Now we're going to add one whole tomato, your garlic and ginger, some bay leaves, one red chili cut up, half a dried chili, and 2 cloves. Mix them all together. I cut up my half a dried chili. Let's add the rest of the ingredients. Let's add 600 grams of cubed lamb meat. Stir it a bit, and the heat should be on medium-low on your stove so that it doesn't burn. Let's add 1.5 cups of steamed cabbage. Mix that in. 3 medium potatoes, 1.5 cups of frozen mixed veggies. You can also use fresh veggies cut up. Stir it well. And let's add in our spices next. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of thyme, and half a teaspoon of parsley, a pinch of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika spice. Mix them all well into the pot. I'm using 1.5 beef stock cube. I'm going to add some water in it, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of brown onion soup into this food. 1 tablespoon of brown onion soup powder. It will give it a nice flavor. It will give the stew a nice thickened texture and add more flavor to the stew. Add some hot water, about 1 cup of hot water into a bowl, and put in your 1.5 beef cubes into it. Stir it and then add it into your stew. Let's add it into the stew. Mix well. And let's add about 1.5 cups of boiling hot water so that the food can soften. So let's put the lid on the stove and cook it for at least between 30 to 45 minutes until the food softens, especially the potatoes and the meat, and then the stew is done. Let's leave it to cook now. Okay, it's 20 minutes. Let's check and see how the food is doing so far. Okay, if you use a knife and you poke the potatoes, they are softening, so that's a good thing. And let's taste and see the salt. All the flavors are just gelling well in this stew. The salt content is perfect as well. Let's continue to cook it for a further 15 to 20 minutes. Let's put the lid back on. I've just switched off the stove. It's 20 minutes. Let's have a look at the stew. The gravy has thickened and the potatoes are softer. The stew is ready to be served. So this is our lamb stew, perfect for a chilly winter's day or evening to enjoy with the family. I'm serving the lamb stew with some white rice. You can have also bread, or you can have rolls with the lamb stew. It will go perfectly either way. If you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.